Hey, what's up? You ever wake up one day and realize I'm not the same person I used to be? I don't think the world prepares us for what life really feels like in our 40s. It's not just aging, it's evolution, it's clarity, and sometimes it's shockingly beautiful. Let me explain. Number one thing is self acceptance, it is the real glow up. I used to think confidence was about looking good. Now I know it's about feeling good. If I don't feel good, I'm not showing up for anyone. And guess what? That's okay. I've learned to embrace and love myself more, to give myself grace, and to accept that, like, what I'm good at versus what I'm not. It's not about disrespecting anyone else, it's just about coming into myself fully. Your body will change, but it's not the enemy. Some days I wake up like, who needs of these? Other days, I love what I see. It's a journey, not a fight. Embrace it. Your body fluctuate, your hormones shift, and it's amazing and scary at the same time. But femininity is fluid. It grows with you and not against you. Relationships feel different, but it's a good thing. When I stop forcing things and let life flow, I realize the right people, they stay. The wrong ones, yeah, they remove themselves. And that's freedom. Relationships, whether romantic, family, business, or friendships, they become easier when you stop seeking validation and just allow things to happen organically. Time is the one thing that you can't buy back. I protect my time nowadays like I protect my peace, like I protect everything else. Like I protect my purse, is how much I protect my time. If something or someone doesn't pour into me the way that I pour into myself, then they don't get access. I, with that, I can't say that I apologize for it. I don't apologize for it. My time is my most valuable resource. It's money, it's energy, and it cannot be replaced. And I refuse to waste it on people or things that just don't align with my goals. Um, let's say boundaries are self-respect in action. Whether family, friends, work, or love, if it doesn't align with my peace, I have to set a boundary. That's not being selfish. It took me a while to learn that, but it's true. It's not being selfish. That's what we call growth. I've learned that not everyone deserves unlimited access to me, and I'm okay with that now. Next thing I learned is that your health will humble you. Taking care of your body is it's not optional anymore. It's survival. Let's say taking care of my body is definitely not optional. Because if I don't take care of it, I can't expect it to take care of me. I like over the years I've seen how many lives are lost in such a short period of time, and that reality be hitting me hard every single day. So now my health, my mind, body, and spirit, there it's my number one priority. Purpose definitely becomes louder than pressure. You see, I have spent years trying to be what I thought that I should be, and then now though, I'm focused on who I was meant to be. And I love her. And then the clarity that comes with it is priceless. I've accepted my purpose, I've identified who I am, and I refuse to stray away from that. It's never too late to learn, grow, or level up. See, here's the truth. The 40s don't come with a manual, but they do come with wisdom. And the biggest lesson, your life is yours. Live it in a way that feels good to you because at the end of the day, the real flex isn't just looking good, it's feeling at peace. If in any way, shape, or form this spoke to you, drop me a heart down below and let me know what's the biggest lesson that life has taught you so far. All right, take care of yourself, take care of each other. Bye.